Good morning, children. Today we will learn another set of long A sound. A-I and A-Y. That makes sound like long A. And you already know how to pronounce long A, right? Let's do together. A. Very good. A-I is used in middle of a word. Like, this is the picture of a train. And the spelling is T-R-A-I-N. Train. Here you can see A-I is in middle and the pronunciation is train. Here you can see A-I sound as A. Train. Our next picture is, it's a picture of a snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Here also A-I is in middle and the pronunciation is snail. Very good. It's a picture of a rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Here also you can see A-I is in middle and the pronunciation is rain. Very good. This is the picture of, male. M-A-I-L. Male. Here also A-I is in middle. M-A-L. M-A-L. A. Very good. This is a picture of a chain. C-H-A-I-N. Chain. Here also you can see A-I is in middle, right? Ch-A. We have learned already, right? Ch sound, C-H, ch sound, ch-A. Ch-A. Very good. A-Y is used in the last of a word. Like, this is a picture of hay. Hay means the bunch of dry paddy, right? The spelling is H-A-Y. Hay. Here you can see A-Y is the last and the pronunciation is H-A. H-A. Next picture is a picture of a tray. T-I-A-Y. Tray. Okay. Here also you can see A-Y is the last. Tray. Tray. Here is picture of, the picture of the children are playing. The word is play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Okay. Here also A-Y is the last, right? Play. Play. This is the picture of way. You can call it as road. The other name of road is way. Spelling is W-A-Y. Way. Here also you can see A-Y is in last. A. Way. This is the picture of clay. Spelling is C L A Y. Clay. We already know CL sound as K and AY sound A. Clay. A. Clay.